In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and fix PowerPoint design ideas. PowerPoint's design ideas feature is an incredibly handy tool for anyone looking to create stunning slides quickly and easily. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation, crafting a lecture, or simply trying to spice up your slides, design ideas can be a game changer. Let's dive into how to enable this feature and troubleshoot any issues you might encounter. First, ensure you have PowerPoint open on your computer. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so, as Design Ideas is a built-in feature that requires the full program. Once underway, open the PowerPoint presentation you're looking to enhance. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new presentation and follow along just as well. With your presentation open, navigate over to the Design tab. This is found in the ribbon at the top of the window and contains a variety of options that allow you to change the overall look and feel of your slides. There's a lot you can explore here, but today our focus is on a specific feature. Next, what's crucial here is to locate the Designer button, also found in the Design tab. Click on it. This is the magic button that opens up the Design Ideas pane, where the transformation of your slides truly begins. If you're unable to see the Designer button, make sure your Office version is up to date, as older versions might not support this feature. Once you've opened up the Design Ideas pane, select the specific slide you want to focus on. It's important to remember that Design Ideas will offer suggestions for each slide individually, taking into account the unique content and layout of each one. At times, it may even suggest variations you hadn't considered. On the right side of the screen, in the Design Ideas pane, you'll see a variety of design suggestions presented to you. These ideas are automatically generated based on the content of your slide, giving them a personalized touch without additional effort on your part. Browse through these suggestions and choose the one that best fits your style or the theme of your presentation. Simply click on an option and watch as your slide transforms before your eyes. Sometimes Design Ideas may not generate suggestions for a slide. This could happen for a number of reasons, such as having too much content or incompatible elements. To resolve this, try simplifying your slide or ensure that you have an active internet connection, as some features require online access to function. With these steps, you should be all set to utilize PowerPoint's Design Ideas feature to its fullest. It's a wonderful tool that can help elevate your presentations to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has set you on the path to creating better, more engaging PowerPoint slides.